This is a refreshing face mint from Kaiya, and oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's got tea blend and a fruit extracts in it. So it just spray it on, and actually I like to spray it on fresh, clean skin, but once in a while I'll even just give myself a little bit of a mist during the day, even right over my makeup. Just gives me like, oh, it smells so good, and it just kind of refreshes me, makes me feel so much better. So I'd like to thank Kaiya for my partnership with them, because I was super excited that I could partner with such a really cool, great company that is really focused on anti-aging. And I use all three of the products together, and they sent me a pin, so I mean, I love that. It comes super nicely wrapped, beautifully done, and this combo together is primo. So it is the face spray and the eye cream, as well as the face serum, but then use a good moisturizer. In fact, when I used all three of these this morning, it was so moisturizing, I forgot to use a moisturizer before I put my makeup on. So, awesome stuff.